Disaster has a habit of striking when we least expect it. While we can't prevent fires from starting, we can kill them before they cause irreversible damage. How? Through a powerful fire alarm. But not just any alarm. One designed and installed by passionate professionals who put your needs first. Our dedicated team specializes in fire alarm installation, including conventional systems, heat detection setups, linear heat detection cables, and UV/IR flame detectors. Our fire alarms are the best in the business, fully networkable and developed by world-class experts. There's nothing more important than installing a proper fire alarm in the right way for all the right reasons. It's our job to keep your home or office safe so you can focus on what matters. There's no time to lose. Get in touch with our team today. We're waiting to extinguish your concerns once and for all.
Hi there. Thanks for visiting our website. If you have any questions about our products, please click the button here.
Visit our website or call us today.